We welcome you back here to Fox 2 News in the morning. Dating apps are most definitely popular, but how protected is the information you share? Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal asks Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNary about what the law says in this morning's Legal Lens.
Andrea, I know one of the questions people have when they use these dating apps is just, does the law require them to, protect their information or any protections there?
And the answer is surprising to most, which is there really isn't a lot of laws to address this type of the website, social media use, online dating use. So, laws really haven't caught up with how people interact on a daily basis anymore.
And if someone pretends to be someone else on a dating app, I know that's a concern, is that against the law?
Sure, there's entire shows dedicated to this subject, right, called Catfish. There are some laws that would apply, meaning if you take over somebody's identity, technically in every state that would be some form of identity theft. But in reality, it's very hard to enforce those laws, especially when that doesn't result in some type of financial loss for somebody. So if it's just simply using a picture, it's very hard to prove what the actual losses are from that. So, in really legally, there are laws. In reality, can they help you very much? Not often.
Any suggestions for people who do engage with the dating apps and use them?
Sure. I mean, number one, use your common sense. If something doesn't smell right, definitely trust your gut with that. Two, see if you have any common friends. Three, if you do meet up, try to make it in a group setting or a public setting. Let people know where you are. Let people know who you're going with. And most of all, don't respond to any requests for financial information, gift cards, anything like that. Scammers are very, very clever now. And, it's no longer just the elderly being scammed on social media. It's everybody.
Some great advice, Andrea McNary with Brown and Crouppen. As always, we appreciate your time. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.